Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Reminders and confirming iCloud sync so items follow you across devices. Next, tap New Reminder and type a concise title. Add a short note to capture context. Once done, choose a list to keep things organized and set a date and time with the Remind Me on a Day toggle so the notification arrives when needed. You can also ask Siri to create reminders hands-free. It's faster for quick capture and preserves your workflow. Now you'll refine how reminders behave using smart options. Enable location alerts and choose whether to trigger when you arrive or leave a place. This turns vague intentions into atomic actions. Add priority levels, subtasks, and tags to break down complex jobs and make lists scannable. Make sure to set repeat rules or time-sensitive delivery for repeating duties. That keeps recurring tasks automatic. These settings reduce friction and help you act precisely when it matters most. Finally, review your lists and use the Today widget to scan what's upcoming so nothing slips through the cracks. Make sure due dates and locations look correct and move or edit items as priorities shift. If reminders don't sync, toggle reminders in iCloud off and on, verify Wi-Fi or cellular, and restart the app. That fixes most issues. Use search and smart lists to surface items fast, and you'll keep control without extra mental load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.